Welcome back to Billy Jack's Wild America. Today we're going to be doing the some of the plowing with the earthquake here, and basically we've already got this tilled up and plowed a couple of times, but there's still a few hard spots, so we're going to need to kind of go over it again. But come check out this machine. We just picked it up and it's pretty good. It's not very loud, and it actually does a really good job, and it's pretty easy to maneuver around. It's not super heavy, and it cranks right up. I'm not sure how much this unit costs, but let's give it a shot. The earthquake, and turn on the choke, turn it to about half, cut it on, give her a little crank,